How to pay with gift card on McDonald's app. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application McDonald's is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it. Once the app has been installed on a device, click on Open. Enter your login credentials, as in your user ID and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on its homepage. In here, you can head over to any of the product that you want to purchase. Once you have selected the product that you want to purchase, you also have to select the quantity and the size of the product. Once the selection has been done, click on Checkout. And then in the next page, you will see the option of payment method. In there, all you want to do is click on Gift Card. Choose the gift card as your payment method. Once you have chosen the gift card, enter the detailed information of your gift card and then enter the amount. Once you have entered the total amount, click on Pay. After that, the payment will be done successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can pay with gift card on McDonald's. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.